Turn gaming into free cryptocurrency with CryptoCents. Hey everyone, welcome back to GC World. Today, we are diving into an exciting way for beginners to step into the crypto world, earning cryptocurrency for free just by playing games. Don't worry, this requires zero investment. Stick around for useful tips and get ready to learn how you can start your crypto journey today. CryptoCents is a beginner-friendly app designed to teach you about cryptocurrencies while rewarding you with free crypto for completing easy tasks, gaming, and participating in challenges. It's available for both iOS and Android, making it accessible for everyone. Step 1. Download CryptoCents from the App Store or Google Play. It's quick and free. Step 2. Create an account using your email or social login. Step 3. Set up your crypto wallet inside the app to store your crypto rewards. You can link an existing wallet or create a new one instantly. It's a simple, hands-on, and fun way to learn about crypto while earning. Start now and transform your gaming time into digital assets. Earn cryptocurrency while gaming, a guide to CryptoCents. Step 2. Explore the app. You'll find a variety of games, tasks, and challenges to participate in. Let me show you my favorite part, playing games for free crypto rewards. Here's how it works. Simply choose a game from the Play to Earn section. Each game rewards you with points or tokens that can be converted into cryptocurrency. The more you play, the more you earn. Games range from puzzles and trivia to action-packed adventures, so there's something for everyone. Step 3. Track your earnings. After completing a game, your rewards will show up in the Wallet section. You can see how much crypto you've earned, and in many cases, you can withdraw it directly to your preferred wallet. Now, here are a few pro tips to maximize your earnings. Play daily. Many games offer bonus rewards for logging in every day. Complete tasks. Besides gaming, CryptoCents has other earning opportunities like watching ads or completing surveys. Join challenges. Some games have leaderboards where top players win big rewards. And that's it. With CryptoCents, you're not just wasting time on games, you're actually earning cryptocurrency while having fun. Whether you are new to crypto or a seasoned pro, this app is a great way to grow your portfolio effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more tips like this. Also, comment below which game you are excited to try out on CryptoCents. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!